Are you like me who has used Microsoft Excel for nearly 20 years now, but has begun to do a lot of my work with Google Sheets lately? Are you confused about selecting a perfect spreadsheet tool for your work? In this video, we shall look at the features of Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets so as to help you choose the perfect software for you. This is Khan Academy, a free online learning platform. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel, because we shall continue to reveal technical skills that will help you to boost your career. Let's get straight into it. Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets are two of the most popular spreadsheet programs. They are both used for organizing, analyzing, and managing data. Microsoft Excel is a desktop software used in business and education to create, alter, print, and share spreadsheets. Because of its extensive data manipulation capabilities, it is recognized as one of the most powerful data analysis tools. Google Sheets, on the other hand, is a web-based application that has many functionalities similar to Microsoft Excel, but lacks some of the capabilities that Excel provides. It is not as powerful as Excel, but it can be used from any device that has an internet connection, making it suitable for use while traveling. Uses of electronic spreadsheets. Many businesses and organizations today turn to the use of spreadsheets to organize their data. Spreadsheets are beneficial for many reasons, such as being able to quickly view and analyze data in tabular format, or for use in calculations. While there are many different types of spreadsheet programs available, Microsoft Excel is one that is often used by businesses and organizations. However, there are other spreadsheet programs that may be more applicable to your needs than Microsoft Excel. Google Sheets is an example of a program that can be used when you need a program with more collaboration features than Microsoft Excel. Other programs like OpenOffice Calc or LibreOffice Calc can also be used if you need an open source solution with more features than Google Sheets offers. Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, pros and cons. Before we begin these pros and cons, let me inform you that we are making a video on how to become a data analyst. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification box if you have not done so. Okay, let us now look at Microsoft Excel pros and cons. Microsoft Excel pros. 1. Easy and effective comparisons. 2. Packed with features. 3. Data analysis abilities. Microsoft Excel cons. 1. Control and security. 2. Time inefficiency. 3. Premium price. It is now time for Google Sheets pros and cons. Google Sheets pros. 1. Accessibility and collaboration. 2. Cost free to use. Google Sheets cons. 1. Limited features. 2. Lacks color filtering. If you want to start learning Microsoft Excel, I will include a link to a free course that will help you in the description box below. And if you have questions regarding this topic or any other topic related to a spreadsheet, please drop them in the comment section below, and we shall attend to them. Kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, and also like this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning.